Today I am showing how to increase our cell size, also called column size. So normally, if we increase one by one cell, just uh, click here, double click here. Let's increase the size of the column. Like once again, I think just like okay. So, but uh, we see there are lots of uh, column and feature are there. So if we increase their size at once, just a minute, I rearrange, then I show how we do it. Okay. As you see, there are lots of column are there. So how we increase their size at once? Okay. So first of all, select the whole table. Okay. After that, just uh, click here, double click. As you see, the all columns, it's increase the all columns at once. So this is the process how to increase the uh, size of column. So that's it. Okay, for now, bye bye guys.